Having trouble with your Sceptre monitor's built-in speakers? The most common issue is incorrect audio output selection in Windows. Let's fix this step by step. First, right-click the speaker icon in your system tray and select Open Sound Settings. This opens the Windows Sound Settings window, where you can see all available audio output devices. In the Output section, ensure your Sceptre monitor is selected as the audio output device. Look for your monitor's name or model number in the device list. Check both Windows volume levels and your monitor's built-in volume controls. Make sure neither is muted or set too low. Verify your cable connections. HDMI and DisplayPort cables carry both video and audio signals. VGA and DVI cables only carry video and require a separate audio cable. Finally, try using a different HDMI or DisplayPort cable to rule out a faulty cable. Also test different ports on your monitor if multiple are available. These initial checks resolve most Sceptre monitor audio problems. If your speakers still aren't working after these steps, you may need advanced troubleshooting methods. When basic audio checks fail, the next step is reinstalling your audio drivers. This resolves most driver-related conflicts and corruption issues. First, uninstall your current audio drivers through Device Manager. Then download the latest drivers from your motherboard manufacturer's website, or let Windows automatically detect and install them. If driver reinstallation doesn't work, restart the Windows Audio Services. These services manage all audio functionality in Windows. Open the Run dialog, type services.msc, then restart both Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder services. This refreshes the entire audio system. Next, check your monitor's built-in settings menu. Many audio issues stem from incorrect internal audio configurations. Access your monitor's on-screen display menu and verify the audio input source matches your connection type. Also check that internal volume levels are adequate and the monitor isn't muted. Test different connection ports on both your monitor and computer. Sometimes specific ports have hardware issues or different capabilities. Try connecting to different HDMI or DisplayPort inputs on your monitor. Also test different output ports on your computer. Sometimes the issue is with a specific port rather than the entire audio system. If all software solutions fail, consider hardware failure. While uncommon, about 3% of monitor audio issues are due to actual hardware problems requiring repair or replacement. Hardware failure is rare, but possible. If you've tried all software solutions and the speakers don't work with any device, contact Sceptre support or consider professional repair.